आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। होपफुली आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह पाक से मेरी यही दुआ है कि अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों को जहाँ भी रखे अपनी खैर में रखे, अपनी सलामती में रखे और इस दुनिया में अपने सिवा किसी का मोहताज ना करे। आमीन सुमा आमीन। क्लास 7 की हम कर रहे हैं जी इंग्लिश, और इसका जो है वो आज हम चैप्टर 2 करेंगे। आज हम चैप्टर 2 पेज नंबर 19 पे है, ब्लैक ब्यूटी। अगेन वही बात कहूँगी कि अगर आप लोगों को इसकी एक्सरसाइज में जो है वो कोई मसला हो, या अगर आपको चैप्टर की ब्रीफिंग में कोई इशू हो, तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक अलग सी वीडियो बना दूँगी। ठीक है जी। तो आइए इसी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ चलते हैं। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 है कॉम्प्रीहेंशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। तो ये मैंने आप लोगों के लिए रेडी कर दिए हैं। चलिए आइए इसे करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ The horse says, "My mother and an old riding horse seemed to know all about it. What was it made they knew about? How did they know? How did they know?" तो ये लेंथी क्वेश्चन था, आप जो है वो बुक में से देख लीजिएगा। So answer is the horse mother and an old riding horse knew all about the hunt. They were men ride good horses and use dogs to catch wild creatures such as the hare and fox. Perhaps they too had taken part in such hunts. Question number 2 is, why did the dogs stop barking and being to run about with their noses to the ground? Answer is, the dogs stopped barking and began to run with their noses to the ground because they had lost sight of the hare and were trying to find its scent again. Question number C is, which lines tell us that some of the horses wanted to join the horses on the hunt? What did they wish to join in it? आप क्वेश्चन जो है वो बुक में से देख लीजिएगा। Answer is, these lines tell us that some of the horses wanted to join in the hunt. The old horses snorted and looked eagerly after them, and we young cows wanted to be the galloping with them. It seems as if the horses wished to join in with the galloping. Question number D is, why was the hare wild with fright? Answer is, the hare tried to get through the scene. It was too thick and she turned sharply round to make for the road, but it was too late now. The dogs were upon it with their wild cries, and this it met its end. Question number F is, why did the huntsman whip off the dogs? Answer is, the huntsman whipped off the dogs because otherwise they would have torn the hare to pieces. G is, why was the young horse, the storyteller, astonished? Answer is, the young horse was astonished by the sight of these men on fire horses with barking dogs chasing and killing a hare. H is, how did we first realize that a horse, not a human being, is telling the story? Base your answer on the passage alone, not the introduction. Answer is, we first realize that the horse is telling the story when we can across the sentence, I and other cause and were feeling at the lower part of the field. Question number I is, why was the young horse, question number I is, which other animals apart from the hare suffered or were harmed during the hunt? Answer is, 2 horses and a man were injured in the hunt. 1 man died, and presumably the dogs would have been hurt when they were whipped. Okay, so come on to the next exercise. This is working with words. Below are some words and expressions from the passage. With the help of dictionary and after reading the words again in their context, give the meaning of each. ये words दिए हुए हैं, इनके meanings देने हैं हमने. Meadows, wine. Horseback, snorted. Likely, brook, seemed, astonished. जी, तो आपने दो तरह से कॉलम बना लेने वर्ड्स के मीनिंग के. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट योर वर्क वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. इट शुड बी अ क्रिस्टल ग्लास type of writing. Each word should be clear as crystal. So the words are there. Working with words, heading डाल दीजिए words meaning की. Number 1 is meadows. It means area of grassland. Second is wine, complaining cry of a dog. C is horseback, riding on the back of a horse. Snorted, made an explosive noise by the blowing out of the nose. Likely, probably. Brook, a small stream. Seemed, appeared, astonished, surprised. The next one is, these are all expressions. We have to write the meanings and their sentences. So okay, let's start. First of all, we will write the heading of expressions, and secondly, we will write the meanings. So number 1 is pricked up ears. It means listened carefully. Second is lost of the scent. It means could not find the smell of the trail. Wild with fright. It means frightened to the point of behaving wildly. Fourth is a great ideal. Great ideal. It means a lot. So come to their sentences. No, ये अलग से हमें दिए हुए हैं क्वेश्चन. So we have done this one question, this one also. Now come to this one. Use these expressions from the passage in sentences of your own. Making straight for, turn sharp round, were upon her, never yet could make out. So these are the questions, expressions, and we have write the sentences of there. Making and straight for means a sentence he made straight for whom. Second is turn sharp round. He instantly turned sharp round and returned. Third is were upon her. The dogs were upon the hare. Fourth is I never yet could make out. I never yet could make out that why men are so fond of this sport. Come to another exercise, that is exercise number C. It's learning about language. So हमें यहाँ पर इन्होंने दिए हुए हैं जी. हमने इसमें से मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन और न्यूट्रल बताने हैं. तो ब्रदर, रूस्टर, वेटर, पुलिसमैन एंड मैन, दीज आर ऑल मैस्कुलिन. फेमिनिन इज़ गर्ल, बिजनेस, वुमेन एंड हैन, सीमस्ट्रेस, दीज आर द फेमिनिन. बहुत बचपन से बेसिक सी चीज़ हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन की, मुज़क्कर मुअन्नस जिसे कहते हैं हम. तो ये वो है. चिकन, चाइल्ड, सिबलिंग, शॉपकीपर, टेलर, सर्वर, एडल्ट, चेयरपर्सन एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, दीज आर न्यूट्रल. Okay, now come to another one, that is underline the linking verb. So the building seems जो है वो linking verb है. ठीक है जी. Unstable. They were late to school. Were is linking verb. Are the books in the bag? Are जो है वो linking verb है. Lion's mane was yellow. Man is linking verb. After a while on the bikes we became tired. Became is a linking verb जो लिंक कर रहा है वर्ब से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज अंडरलाइन द लिंकिंग और एक्शन वर्ब्स. ही फील्स सैड. फील्स इज लिंकिंग वर्ब. ही फेल्ट द क्लोथ्स बिफोर चूजिंग द सॉफ्टेस्ट वन. फेल्ट इज लिंकिंग वर्ब. द soup tastes salty. It's linking verb. I tasted the food before serving it. It's action verb. The music sounds great. It's a linking verb. The plants grew slowly. It's a action verb. I grew tasty vegetables in the garden. It's a action verb. My favorite drink is coffee. It's a linking verb. During the firework, the children remained asleep. Remained is a linking verb. We stayed at home because the weather turned bad. It's an action verb. Okay, now come to another exercise, that is use the phrasal verb from the boxes in a place of underline the words. तो ये सब जो अंडरलाइन कर दी हैं, इसमें से सर्कुलेटेड जो है वो वर्ब है, पुट अबाउट है, कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो पुट अक्रॉस है, और द फोर्थ वन इज़ कंज्यूम जो है इसमें पुट अवे है, 5 में इंस्टॉल जो है वो पुट इन है, पोस्टपोन जो है वो पुट ऑफ है, एक्सटिंग्विश जो है वो पुट आउट है, एंड डिस्कोलेटेड जो है वो डिसलोकेटेड जो है वो पुट आउट है। सो होपफुली आज की वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित रही होगी। अगर वीडियो पसंद आ जाए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा। अगर चैनल पर न्यू है तो चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। आप हमेशा जो है वो अपने काम को नीट एंड क्लीन बनाया करें। वो कोशिश किया करें कि अपना जो है वो आप लोग जो टाइटल पेज होता है उसको थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट करके बना दें, थोड़ा सा अट्रैक्टिव अपने काम को बना लें, काम नीट करें, प्रेजेंटिव करें, ताकि आपका काम जो है वो रिप्रेजेंटेबल लगे। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा, खैर बांटिए और आसानियाँ बांटिए। देखिए इंशाल्लाह ताला खैर और आसानियाँ ही आपके पास वापस पलट कर आएंगी। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।